Hello, my name is Brian Whitehurst. I'm from Full Sail University's Public Relations Master's Program, and I'm here to present to you La Palm Magazine's Red Carpet Affair campaign. This campaign will be created to be able to increase brand awareness and help La Palm Magazine grow in revenue and distribution and also circulation. As you see here, if you are able to read through it real quickly, is the vision of La Palm Magazine. As we're moving on here, as you see here, this is a timeline. And La Palm Magazine, what La Palm Magazine is about is they were created to fill a void and bridge the gap between fashion, entertainment, style, beauty, and art. La Palm Magazine's first issue, as you see here in the red, in summer of 2013, was launched in front of a crowd of over 800 people on July 26 to be precise, and has quickly grown into an international appeal. Here you can see the evolution of where La Palm Magazine started, like I said, the red issue, all the way to spring 2014, which was released about 3 weeks ago. Some of the goals that we're going to discuss in regards to the campaign. This campaign will increase La Palm Magazine's brand awareness through building relationships and reputations with major brands and sponsors that can assist with spreading the name. The emphasis of the campaign will be utilizing the magazine's one-year anniversary party, and the campaign will focus on invitations to executive decision makers from any relevant potential sponsors and advertisers. One thing about the event, it's not about the event, it's about the campaign, and we're using the event as the campaign. One of the formulas that I like to utilize is relationships plus brands plus sponsorships will equal increased awareness and revenue. So why print? People talk about print's dying. Well, 63% of internet users still use magazines and newspapers to find coupons and other information. And according to Affinity Media Research, 184 million Americans still read magazines in print or electronic form every month. And magazines also boast the highest levels of consumer engagement of any media, according to research performed by global neuroscience research company NeuroInsight. Some of the objectives La Palm Magazine will inquire. One of them is these relationships will be important into the success of the magazine because they will lead to more brand relationships, major event sponsorships, and build notoriety. One of the objectives is increasing distribution 50-50. What this basically means is growing to 50 states and 50 countries, where currently La Palm is in 15 states and 10 countries. Increasing ad revenue from $3,000 to $10,000 a month, and also increasing ads by 5 pages every 3 months. Currently they're at 10 pages, wanting to grow to a full maximum of 35 pages or more. Increasing fan base and loyalty, utilizing a strategic integrated marketing communications plan using social media, public relations, and advertising to increase fan base and loyalty by over 50%. And the last objective is develop and grow blogger database. This will help maintain and create more consistent, relevant content. This is a graph that shows cost per thousand impressions regarding to several media outlets that pay attention to the magazine, creating $18.79 per thousand impressions. This kind of gives you an idea of where magazines still create revenue. Some of the strategies that La Palm Magazine's campaign will seek out for is developing media outreach to encourage engagement with journalists through email lists and social media pages. This is important in regards to building those relationships to get journalists and bloggers to talk about La Palm Magazine. Expanding social media presence using Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, using campaigns and creative hashtags unique to the magazine. And also developing editorial vision and calendar of events relevant to the website, which will social media posts and press releases. Some of the tactics that will be used is inviting magazine bloggers for Media Day. This will be able to provide free copies and give them a preview of each issue before its release. Creating cyber conferences on fashion writing and glamour. Create and track hashtags, opinion polls and surveys, and product giveaways for advertisers. How we're going to utilize this and how we're going to evaluate is we'll utilize Google, Facebook, Twitter analytics to monitor and disseminate data results. Also utilizing these tools for the best for determining different goals as far as websites, traffic, unique traffic, bounce rate, purchases from website, and where our traffic comes from. Data would be researched and analyzed every 90 days to determine what needs to change and improve. And if the goals are not met by December 2015, the integrated marketing communication plan will be reevaluated and changed where applicable. And here are some of the sources we use. And thank you for listening. And I hope you enjoyed the presentation.